guys, happy holidays. I am really excited to be doing a last minute New Year's makeup look for you today. So this is all going to be using drugstore makeup products that you can find at your local London drugs. Why don't we just get started? So I first wanted to just start by showing you what I've got on my nails. These are super easy if you're in a pinch. I absolutely love these. These are Kiss nails, and these are the Glam Fantasy ones here. As you can see, they're kind of like a light taupey brown color, and they've got lots of nice little sparkle in there. You can use either the tabs or the glue. I use the glue and I find that they stay on really well. I can easily get 2 weeks at a wear out of these. So that's what I'm wearing on my nails. Just to make this video a little faster, I didn't want to show you my whole base makeup look. So I already have my foundation, contour, brows, eyeliner, and mascara done. But I just wanted to give a shout out to Rimmel for this because I am a huge fan of both of these right now. I've been trying these for a few weeks now. This is the Rimmel Scandaleyes Volume on Demand. I love the volume that I get with this one, and it's really easy to work with, so I've been using this every single day, as well as I'm super picky about my my waterproof liner that I use, and I've kind of been stuck in a rut with the ones I've been using lately. So this is a big new favorite for me. This is the Rimmel Wonder Ink eyeliner, and like I said, it is waterproof. It stays on all day, no problem. And the most important part is that it's really easy to apply, as opposed to if you're not a big fan of like gel, for instance, or liquid liners. This one has like a felt tip. You can see that there. It works really well. So that I've already got on. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Rimmel shadow right here in, what is it, the Magnif'eyes Mono Eyeshadow in Gold Record. How pretty is that? Gotta do some gold for the holidays, right? So if you like, you can apply an eye primer first, which I usually do. I use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, the Primer Potion. Anyways, and now I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit of glam to my eyes with this. I'm not gonna go in and do anything fancy and crazy. I'm literally just picking up some pigment on here, and I'm gonna lightly apply this to my eyes. I know I already have my liner on, but you'll see why that won't really matter afterwards. You see that there? It's just nice and light. I actually prefer that it's not like a really highly pigmented eyeshadow, because as you'll see later, I'm gonna go for a statement lip. So I do just want something that's got a nice little bit of shimmer, but isn't gonna be like crazy obvious, you know, really super pigmented gold. And I'll also just make sure to get right down in the corners there. It's really nice. So the reason I said it doesn't matter that I might get some fallout on my eyeliner is because I'm actually going to use this magnetic liner with magnetic lashes from Ardell. These are brand new. You can find these at London Drugs. So I'm going to be applying that over my liner anyways now. And I just find this is so much less goopy and annoying than regular glue eyelashes, which I'm really not that good at. So all I'm going to do here is just take the gel liner here, put a little on my teeny little brush, and just swipe it along my lash line. Got the lashes here. Just line that up. Boom. And these obviously are not the most dramatic ones of the bunch. You can get all kinds of different ones, but yeah, really nice. So by the way, you can actually see the little magnets across here. I didn't have to trim these, by the way. They're all also just the perfect size, which I find never happens with false lashes, but yeah, drag those along here. There we go. Boom. Alright, so that's it for the eyes. I'm just going to do a little bit of highlighter, and I had to show you this because this is literally my favorite highlighter of all time. In fact, it looks like crap right now because the lid's broken off and it's been used a lot. But anyways, this is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter Powder, and this is in Golden Lights. And yeah, we're just going to apply that to the cheekbones. That's pretty amazing, right? This glows like nobody's business. How amazing is that? Okay, so now we're on to the really fun part. This is the lips, and I'm gonna be using a lipstick and a top coat for this. So this is super cool. This is like the coolest thing I have found probably for the holiday season. This is the Rimmel Lip Art Glitter Liquid Lip. So you can apply it on its own, but it is a whole lot better actually if you use it as a top coat. So first I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel lipstick here, and this is the Lasting Finish Extreme in 520 Dead Red. I can't not sound like an idiot when I say that, I'm sorry. Anyways, this is what it looks like right here. It's the perfect red lipstick for the holidays. Silky. Okay, now for the fun part. So, like I said, this is the Rimmel Lip Art Glitter Top Coat. Ooh, I don't know if you can tell just how glittery it is, but hopefully you will when I put it on here. You see the difference from the top to the bottom? If you're gonna buy one product, I would say a beauty product for your holiday parties, this would be it. Because you could literally just go with a regular liner, call it a day, or just even mascara, add this, and it will completely elevate the look. Okay, and that's it. So here is your super nice, easy, and quick makeup tutorial for any of your holiday parties. I hope you guys liked it. So next I'm moving on to hair. So if you want to check that out, and I'm using a really, really cool new device for that, then make sure that you check that next video out too. All right, and I also wanted to make a note that if you're on a budget too, all of these products that I used here today for this are drugstore makeup products. So you can find them all at your local London drugs, for instance. Just head over there, pick them up right now, and then you can quickly do your look for New Year's or Christmas parties. All right, take care guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.